by England. Being rebels.
That would scare ya.
What are you doing? Hello, car park on sea. Hello and welcome to ScrewyLoops, and today we're on a boat. We're at sea and I'm not a fan of the sea, so I don't know how this is going to go. What do you think of the sea, Miabella? Same. So we've travelled down from Dudley to Newhaven. Took about 3 hours in the car, not too bad. Then stopped over and then on the boat from Newhaven to, where is it going? Dieppe. So about 4 hours on a ferry and then a 3-hour drive. So it's a very long journey, isn't it? But it's going to be fun.
Hi.
Say hello, Nanny.
Hi, Nanny.
Grandad Kevin. Miabella, you going to say hello? Oh my, look at that dribble. Come here. Rachel's over there. She's having a nap. Yes, say hello to the vlog. Hey. Yes, say hello.
£5 for the butter.
So much as all this? £8.50?
No.
No.
It's like €17.
For one?
No, for all of it.
Oh, for everything?
£8.95 for this and the drink.
£50.
And then it was £2.50 for the bottles. And then 40p for the bread roll.
Yeah, I just want a bite of sandwich. Fancy.
Brown sauce for his bacon roll, that's it.
Thank you very much.
Do you want a bit of my bacon?
I'm alright, I'll just have
Bloody hell,
it.
Pam, how much salt do you have in there?
I like salt.
It's a good job, what's it? You did turn it off, could you imagine it now?
What? Oh, it's lovely. Remind me not to drop my camera. Wow, that's 7 Sisters. Right, she's in there, chocolate heaven. It's always your favourite part of an airport, let alone a
I didn't
ferry.
realise you had duty free on a ferry.
Oh, cracking, $15.99. What else have we got? We've got biscuits.
Mustard, eh?
Mustard.
That's mustard, eh?
It's not some odd. It's in a duty free shop. Mustard. Caramel biscuits.
Oh, look here. Look at that.
No, I
Oh,
don't.
I'm
No, I
showing you
don't.
actually, yeah.
We have to spend, I don't know, probably 20 quid on that.
What was that? I would feed her in here, but I feel like she's going to start screaming, so we'll have to go outside.
What we got for dinner today? We've got mangoes, pears and papayas. I'm organic, perfect purees. Yeah.
Oh. And there is old chairs, but they've locked them away, so we have to make do, don't we? Daddy hiding your food.
What's for din-dins? There we go.
Okay. Oh. Did they really get it in
Nice.
then, did you?
You have any?
Daddy licking your food.
Oh, that's really nice. It's like a smoothie. It's alright, huh? 10 out of 10.
Tell you've enjoyed that.
He's like, more. Oh, mummy, more. Oh, yes. Look at that face. Beautiful. Hey. Here's a 8 to 10.
That is literally the last bit.
Well done.
It's been
Look,
Gone.
finished. Finito. But you got nice Snacker Jack. It's a weird one, isn't it? It's like fruit flavoured rice crackers. I'm not a fan.
You ain't gonna eat it, have you?
It's like you wanna like strawberry flavoured Doritos.
Have you not had Snacker Jacks?
Yeah, but they're not fruit flavoured, am I?
Sure, there's one.
The salty one and the
Caramel.
caramel. And then you got that one.
Can't think of any more.
She loves it. That's the main thing, didn't you? You love it. It's very nice. Mmm. Yum 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 yum. Get your formula in your little containers, whack it in, put some boiling water in a flask, and about half an hour or so before feeding, pop it in, and then you wait. Yo ho ho, I can see land and sea. It's very windy. Oh. Yo, what, he's got some serious skill to try and pull that into it. That's mad. Look at this. It's all like surrounded by like.
Has he got to turn this boat round?
We're just parking up here, right?
Oh God.
What tune is this?
No?
No, sweat.
No. You'll never know.
Is it older than 14 years old?
Probably, yeah. I'd say yeah.
Is it from the 1970s?
Yeah.
Frank Spencer, some of us do have them.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here we go. First roundabout in France. Remember, give way to the left and turn right. Oh, that's disorientating. That weird. Oh, that's weird coming up on the right.
Left, go left.
Left. Oh, but you said the right.
Okay,
Yeah,
left.
but you've got to go round the roundabout to the right. No, that way. Oh.
No?
It says lorry park now.
No,
Yeah, but further down it's got look food and drinking, parking.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it has there. Food and
Oh,
drink.
parking for cars, go that way. Left, right.
Left what?
As in, go left, then go right.
Jesus. Don't get a job as a
Left,
sat nav.
right.
Definitely got some fancy coffee machines. I've no idea what this is, but I think you plug your phone in and you can charge it yourself while pedaling. That's cool. Different food you can have. I like these pizzas, I do, don't I? Oh, and ciabattas are quite nice. So, but we went for the better option. Homemade beef sandwiches. Thanks from Nanny and Grandad Kevin.
You're welcome.
With a bit of mustard. It's got to be done.
Big girls don't cry. Big girls don't cry. Big girls don't cry. They don't cry. You ain't making it nicely enough. Don't cry. Who said they don't cry? My girl said goodbye.
Do you know what?
That's brilliant, Mum.
You lot aren't even joining in.
That sounded like-
Goodbye.
That sounded like
trees are paced out exactly perfectly, you know. We're in Disneyland Paris. I don't know if that's a fact, or it just seems like it to me. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're here. That's very exciting.
You have arrived at your destination within a larger facility.
Excited for Disneyland.
Mickey Mouse. And Minnie. And Eeyore.
Nah. I'm excited. Yeah. Disneyland Mickey Mouse. Right. Smells interesting. It smells like what's that smell? Like
gun smoke.
Yeah, it's like very like westerny smell. Yeah, this is really nice. Never been here before. We stopped at Santa Fe years ago, and I stopped at Dream Castle. I think that's called something different now, probably. But yeah, you happy now?
Yeah. Look, it's only 15 minutes to Disneyland.
Oh, not this again. we always have card trouble. Go on, you can do it. You sure we got the right cards for each room?
You said this is your key.
No, I'm thinking like...
it just went blue then.
Oh, hold on. Yeah, do you want me to do it? I'm magic at this.
Go on then.
Oh, it's just... Okay. Maybe not.
I did get it to go blue at one point.
Is yours working?
No.
Swap them over.
Yeah, try a different one.
That might be a point, you might mix them up.
Well, I mean, then people from the other room might have ours.
Oh, embarrassing.
No, that's not even like
No, that's not.
That's not even like
Swap it back so we know which one's which.
Okay.
Give me that one again.
Oh,
Come
are
here.
we being stupid or what?
No, I think we're going to have a walk back and be like... Oh,
Yeah.
you got a reception there.
Oh. That's a good idea.
You know that coffee machine right around the corner?
Yeah.
I'm sure I read these cards give you a coffee every morning, but they don't tell you.
Oh, yes, I saw some on the
I've
blog.
just seen the coffee machine.
Well, there's a little pack. Alright, we're in. We're in. Let's have a look. First reactions, here we go. Try and, yep, just try and get in first. Okay.
Yeah.
Woo! We're in! Hey!
Oh, we don't provide a cot sheet.
Oh, well. All sorted out. Oh, God. Oh. We're here. Finally. Oh. Okay, ignore all the malarkey we just had. We got there eventually. It's fine, you know, these things happen. But here's a room, and I'm going to do a little room tour. As you know, standard thing to do. So we've got a nice little rail rack. I feel like you're better explaining stuff like this. That's you put your clothes on them, like coats and stuff. You've got room up here. You have got a lock, a safe. Do you have to pay for that, or is it free?
I don't know.
Well, we have a safe. I think it says, please leave the safe open and check out. I think it's actually 3. I think you just put a code in, and obviously more space. I'm going to just go straight into the bathroom because we're here right now. So we open the door. We have a lovely mirror, a big mirror, and a me, and lights, and we've got this shaver. Oh, sorry. Okay. That's not a shaver. That's an hairdryer. I don't know what's called a shaver. We've got a sink. We've got a soap, cups for some reason. I think it's to clean your teeth, put your dentures in, and all that. Disneyland Paris. Is that like a box of tissues in there? Box of tissues?
No, I'll look at the present.
Toilet. You don't really want to see that. And the shower. Nice shower. It's quite dark. Is the light actually on? Well, that's with the light on. It seems pretty dark. It's quite nice, moody, atmospheric. I was probably thought it'd be a bit brighter. Oh, okay. And here is our main room. We've got a cot, as you know, because we've got a baby. This is the cot they provide us. That's the sheet. That's actually the sheet now. It's all right. It's not the most comfortable thing, but at least we've got a cot, and it saves the space of bringing a travel cot.
A cot sheet, I would.
Probably bring a sheet or a blanket or something to put on top.
Take one of the sheets off.
Yeah. because yeah. Yep, got a bin, it's fine, a little bit of space here, you can put your laptop on or whatever. 2 double beds, why not? Are we having one each?
Oh, we've got to take a sheet off one of them.
Oh, okay. I'll just read
You
it.
don't want to stay with me?
I'll just say we could both
Starfish.
both starfish, you know. When you're a married couple, we respect starfishing moments sometimes. So we've got a TV. It's a bit slanted. Yeah, I won't touch that. But yeah, we've got a TV. We've got this cool little booth. That's really cool, isn't it? With Woody on it. Yeah, if you didn't tell, this is like a Toy Story themed hotel, isn't it? Like there's a lot of Woody stuff. You got Jessie up there. Big up Jessie, Woody. The little ball from Pixar, you know, and the bullseye. I was going to say donkey. Yeah, it's really cool. The little lamps, they're really nice. The little Woody. Oh my god, there's a little picture here as well. That's Toy Story 3, I think. I don't know. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Toy Story, but I feel like it's the beginning of Toy Story. Comment below if I'm right. It's the one where the pig's in the sky?
What are you on about?
It's just like a big pig in the sky. You know, I'm just
I think it's Toy Story 2 actually, where they're doing the show.
Ham. I like ham. And yeah, you got a fan. This is our view. We're right on the ground floor, which is really handy. Can you get through this? Oh, you can. We're right on the ground floor. We're quite close to the reception, which is nice. So if you do end up in this area, just request for a room.
It's a room by the facility, so we're literally behind Starbucks, the restaurant, the cafe, everything.
Just request for a room there by reception. This is a good spot to have, really. Because I know this hotel is massive. It stretches for quite a while. Yeah. Overall, it's a really nice room. I'm quite pleased with it. I mean, it probably is one of the cheaper hotels in the park, but it's nice. It's got character. That's what you want. It's lovely, and I like how it's laid out. It's like a bit of a village outside, which is nice. And yeah, it's great. But now we're just gonna go to the bar with a few drinks. I'm gonna cut the vlog here because my GoPro's about to die, and on the next vlog we will be in the park for your first ever time at Disneyland Paris. Yeah.
Is that what you think?
Yeah, she's buzzing. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, smash subscribe, and hit the bell to keep all up to date. You've been watching ScrewyLoops. This has been a while, you know. Yeah, try a bit.